Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope that all of you are doing well. This is Super Goal 2, Unit 5. What are you going to wear there? This is Part 9, Reading. The title of our reading is The Iguazu Falls. Students' book, page 45. Today we have two objectives. The first objective is prediction. You're going to predict what are you going to see in the text. Then you're going to read for gist and details. So let's start. This is a warm-up activity. What can you see here? Look at these two pictures. What is this reading about? These two pictures are from the reading text. So I want you to predict what is this reading about. Perfect, exactly. Our reading today is about waterfalls. About what? Waterfalls. Next, what would you wear to visit waterfalls? What would you wear to visit waterfalls? Perfect. You can wear, for example, raincoat, waterproof jacket, and so on. Here we have some words. Okay, so this is what? This is a waterfall. Again, waterfall. Again, waterfall. Listen and repeat here. What can you see here? This is a raincoat. Exactly, raincoat. Okay, here we have rubber boots. Rubber boots. When you go to a waterfall, you can wear a raincoat and rubber boots. A line separating two countries. A line separating two countries here. What do you call it? What do we call this line that separating Iraq and Saudi Arabia? Border. Exactly, border. So borders are lines separating two countries. Again, border. Repeat after me. Border. Next. A person who's traveling or visiting a place for pleasure or for fun. What do we call a person who's traveling or visiting a place for pleasure, for fun? So this man is a, what do you think? Exactly, he's a tourist. Perfect, tourist. Repeat after me, tourist. A tourist usually visits what here? He usually visits, exactly, places or famous places. As you can see here, we have types of transportation. We have a plane, a bus, a car, a taxi. So these are types of transportation or means of transportation. So here we have types of transportation. We have a plane, we have a bus, a car, taxi, and so on. So transportation, transportations, or types of transportation. Places that people visit for pleasure and interest and fun here. Places that people visit for pleasure and interest, especially when they are on holiday. As you can see here, we have Abha, we have the pyramids in Egypt, and so on. Here we have a castle. These places are called what? Exactly, are called attractions. So attractions are places that people visit for pleasure and interest, especially when they are on holiday. Now go to your box, page 45. Okay. Look at the photos here. What do you think the reading is about? As we mentioned, this reading is about waterfalls. Exactly. I wanted to listen to this reading. Please listen and follow. After that, we have some questions. You're going to see the words that we have already mentioned in the text here. So listen and follow. After that, we have some questions. So are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
The Iguazu Falls. The Iguazu Falls are on the border of Brazil and Argentina.
So here we have the word border. As we mentioned, border here is a line that's separating two countries. So the Iguazu Falls are on the border of two countries here, Brazil and Argentina.
They are very beautiful and very famous. The falls are very popular with tourists from all around the world.
As we mentioned, tourist. A tourist is a person who visits places for pleasure or fun.
And sometimes during the year, you can see as many as 275 separate waterfalls. The waterfalls go a distance of 2,700 meters. You can hear the roaring sound of the water several kilometers away. Visitors wear waterproof jackets or raincoats with hoods to keep their heads dry.
Okay, as you can see here, visitors wear waterproof jackets or raincoats with hoods to keep their heads dry. Okay, so they wear waterproof jackets or raincoats. Also, they wear rubber boots or waterproof shoes. Next.
They also wear rubber boots or waterproof shoes. Transportation.
Yeah, transportation here. We mean types of transportation.
There are buses to the falls at the Iguazu Park. Towns. The town of Foz do Iguaçu is near the falls. It's a big town and it's very busy with people from many places around the world. Other attractions.
Attractions, places that people visit for pleasure and interest. Attractions, other attractions.
Macuco boat ride on the Iguazu River to the falls. Very exciting. Helicopter ride over the falls. Great fun. Itaipu Dam, hydroelectric dam. Walk on the Brazilian side for a great view.
Okay, you have to read this again and again at home. Okay, then let's go to the next part. Here we have some questions. Question number 1. Where are the Iguazu Falls? Where are they? Where are the Iguazu Falls? Exactly. They are on the border of Brazil and Argentina. They are on the border of Brazil and Argentina. Next, what is near the falls? What is near the falls? Yeah, the town of Foz do Iguaçu is near the falls. The town of Foz do Iguaçu is near the falls. What attractions do Iguazu Falls have? What attractions do the Iguazu Falls have? The attractions, the famous places. Okay? Do the Iguazu Falls have? Exactly. An exciting boat ride on the Iguazu River, a helicopter ride over the falls, the Itaipu Dam, hydroelectric dam, a walk with a great view of the falls. Here we have other attractions here. Number 4, what do the people go to the falls? How do the people go to the falls? How? The means of transportation here. Yeah, people go to the falls by bus. How do the people go to the falls? They go to the falls by bus. What do visitors wear at the falls? What do they wear at the falls? Exactly as we mentioned, visitors wear waterproof jackets or raincoats with hoods and rubber boots or waterproof shoes to protect themselves from water. Okay? I'd like to thank you all for watching, and you have to read the text again at home, and see you next time inshallah.